Hi, welcome back. Part 2, Carl and Jan out and about office bits. Okay, in the first part, we looked at things you would find mostly on your desk, and today we want to look at things you might find in your drawer or in a filing cabinet. Okay, but one thing we did forget last time was our pair of scissors. Very important. Every office has a pair, 2 blades of scissors. Okay, forgot it the first time round. Okay, things you might find in your drawer or in your filing cabinet. We'll start at the top with a so-called bulldog. This is a bulldog clip. Okay, bulldog clip. Yeah, don't put it on the end of your nose. Okay, then very important, I wish I had invented these, paper clips. Mega important, paper clips. Okay, we move on to the highlighter. This is a highlighter pen. Okay, so if you want to highlight something on a document, a highlighter. For our stapler, we have a stapler, we have the stapler remover, but of course we need staples. Okay, so these are the staples. When we make a mistake, what do we need? We need an eraser or a rubber. In America, they say eraser. In England, we say rubber. Okay, rubber. If you have a pin board and you want to pin something on it, what do you need? Yeah, you need a push pin. This is a push pin. Okay, it's a push pin. Yeah, there are also drawing pins which have a flat head, but this is a push pin. Okay. The next thing you might need is rubber bands. These are rubber bands. Okay, everybody knows them. Yeah, shoot them at people. Okay. As a matter of fact, I think I'll try. 1 second, just see if this works. I'll see if I can hit Jan. Wait, watch. No. So, okay. Next thing you have is fluid. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Glue stick. This is a glue stick. Okay. It can look like this. Sometimes it looks like lipstick. Okay, so a glue stick. Then we have fluid glue. This is fluid glue. Okay. And finally, here we have our correction tape. There's also Tipex, which is a fluid, and this is correction tape. The last things we would like to show you today are very important. You find these in your filing cabinet. Files. This is a file. Okay? It's a file. Then we also have ring files. This is a good example. The ring file. This is called a ring file because it has this spring ring at the back. So this is a ring file. What else do we have? Ah yes, very important, our envelopes. Okay, there are lots and lots of various types of envelope. Okay, the base or the 3 basics are your clasp. This is a clasp envelope, which normally has a little button thing here with a cord. Okay, so that's a clasp envelope. Then we have a mailer envelope, normal mailer envelope, and of course, everybody knows it, a window envelope. Okay, good. People, that was it for the bits and pieces and the office bits that you might find in and around your office. As always, at the end of the videos, there will be a list of all the vocabulary we looked at today. Yeah, and if you have any questions or whatever, give us a like, write us a question. Okay, and yeah, we'll see you then with the next videos from Carl and Jan out and about. Until then, take care people, bye for now. Guys, I totally forgot. Yeah, like I say, see you next time. Jan and I are going to go for a coffee, as always. So take care guys, bye for now. Jan, come here, let's go, coffee.
Yes, I'm coming.